Discover how to travel on a shoestring budget with my guide to Timisoara. I'll take you through the best ways to find cheap accommodation, the best time to visit, and share insider tips for spending less in Timisoara. Watch this video till the end and save money on your next trip to Timisoara. Is Timisoara worth visiting? Timisoara is a fascinating city with a rich history and a vibrant cultural scene. Here are a few reasons why you should consider visiting Timisoara. Timisoara was the first city in Europe to have electric street lighting, making it a pioneer in technological innovation. The city was an important cultural and intellectual center during the Austro-Hungarian Empire, and it has a rich heritage of art, music, and literature. Timisoara was an important player in the 1989 revolution that led to the overthrow of communism in Romania, making it a symbol of freedom and democracy. The city has a lively nightlife with various bars, clubs, and restaurants. Timisoara is located in the Banat region of Romania, known for its beautiful landscapes and delicious cuisine. The city is a great base for exploring the countryside, with many charming villages and natural attractions nearby. What is the cheapest month to go to Timisoara? Are you planning a trip to Timisoara and wondering when the best time to visit is? According to data from the past few years, January is typically the cheapest month to fly to Timisoara. However, it's important to remember that flight prices can vary depending on several factors, such as the time of year, the demand for tickets, and the availability of flights. Budget trip to Timisoara cost. Based on the information provided, you should budget around $48 per day for your trip to Timisoara. This estimate includes the cost of meals $17 per day, local transportation $20 per day, and accommodation $38 per night for a couple. In total, a trip for 2 people for 1 week in Timisoara is likely to cost around $674. These estimates are based on the average expenses of other travelers and can vary depending on your specific needs and preferences. It's a good idea to create a budget and stick to it as much as possible to help you make the most of your trip. The best cheap hotels in Timisoara. No matter which hotel you choose, you'll find that Timisoara has a range of budget-friendly options that offer comfortable, convenient accommodations at a reasonable price. With a little bit of research and planning, you should be able to find a hotel that meets your needs and fits your budget. So, these 3 hotels can be a great choice for a budget-friendly trip to Timisoara. Hotel Timisoara. This hotel is located in the city center, within walking distance of many attractions. It offers comfortable rooms at an affordable price and has received positive reviews for its cleanliness and friendly staff. Hotel President. This budget hotel is located in the city's heart, near the main square and the pedestrian area. It offers basic but clean rooms at a reasonable price and has a good reputation among travelers. Hotel del Corso Hotel. This hotel is located in a quiet city area, within walking distance of the main train station and the city center. It offers simple but comfortable rooms at an affordable price and has received good reviews for its cleanliness and value for money. I recommend 3 budget-friendly hotels based on the experiences of locals and fellow travelers. Staying at one of these hotels will make your trip more enjoyable. Well, that's it for my guide to affordable travel in Timisoara. I hope you found this video helpful and inspired you to plan your budget-friendly trip to this amazing city. Remember, the key to traveling on a budget is to be flexible and open to trying new things. Look for deals and discounts, and don't be afraid to stray from the typical tourist attractions to discover the hidden gems that Timisoara offers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more budget travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!